Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. This is the third part of my huge Zara sale haul. Apologies for my voice. I think I'm coming down with a cold and it hurts basically every time I talk, and my throat feels horrible. But anyways, I dolled up for this look because it is the first day of 2023. I'm so excited for this year. I have so much going on and I think it's going to be a fabulous year. This jumpsuit is from River Island. I've never actually worn it because I never have anywhere to go for New Year's or anything like that. I'm usually just spend it in bed, asleep. But I have like 3 of these, so if you are interested, I will put a link in the description bar for my Vinted and Depop where I am selling some of these. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the Zara haul. Here is the first dress. I do really like this. I love the colour. One thing I don't like what Zara did is they cheaped out on the belt and the belt hook. So if I come closer, you'll see it's like a little plastic button and then they've used satin. Okay, in their defense, I think they're trying to make it look nicer because like the elastic doesn't look as nice, but it's much easier to put on because it's 2 buttons. This one is very fiddly, and if you're someone who can't really deal with dainty things, it will be a nightmare to get it on. The dress looks nice, it's okay. The other thing I will point out is that there are a lot of stitching that's still kind of left loose. The satin feels really nice. The padded shoulders, wait, this one is a mess. Okay, the padded shoulders are okay. They can get lost though or move around. This I actually really like because generally I remember in the past they would do these really deep ones and that you couldn't really get away without wearing a bra or having some like something to hold it in, like a pin. But this is actually really good. I'm not wearing a bra and I feel like I'm not gonna explode out. I still probably would be protected and either just put a safety pin for extra precaution, or definitely put bunny ears. But it's nice, it's cute, the fabric feels really nice. My hair is a mess, I don't know what to do with my hair. I cut it, I tried to curl it, I didn't like the way it looked, I tried to, oh, it was a mess. But here is the back as well. But yeah, it's okay. I think it looks nice, I could definitely style it and wear it out, but I don't think I'm in love with it. I finally found my ring. I've been looking for this ring for months. I found it in the washing machine. I just realized I have the dryer on. Let me turn it off. Otherwise, just have that super annoying noise in the background. Anyways, here's the next item. It's like a blazer dress. I really like it and it really fits me well. I was a bit shocked because when I was putting it on, I was like, ooh, this is a small. It is a very short. I would personally probably wear a jacket on top because I would feel a bit too bare like this. I think it's so nice. It's really nice and really well designed. The buttons, the buttons are fake. You're gonna take them off, but oh, can you? Let's have a look. Okay, you can't take them, but the buttons are actually real. You can't take them off. I take that back. But I don't know why you want to. It's nice. And it would look great on Instagram. I just don't think I could wear it out unless I was wearing a coat. But then like, where would I wear it? You see, this is the problem with me. Like, I'll shop and be like, oh, that looks really nice. I'll try it on and be like, yeah, it looks really nice. And then I'll be like, where am I going to wear it? And then that's how I end up with so many dresses. Although in fact I actually wear a lot of my dresses. I do a clear out. Every time I go shopping, I'll go through my wardrobe and try and clear out and then donate stuff, return stuff, just, you know, a good clear out. Anyways, the dress is nice, I like it, but I'm not in love with it, so nah. This I absolutely love. I ordered this in a small and a medium. The medium is a little bit too baggy for me, but I don't know if the small would be too small as well. Like, I know they never sent me the small. They said it was out of stock. But this is like, are these pants matching? I don't know. But they're pretty close. I think this is really nice. I'll wear this with heels, dinner. Because sometimes you don't have to wear a dress. Like, I like being that masculine look, but making it feminine. Add a red lip, add a pink lip, do your hair to the side. big statement black heels. And yeah, really, really nice. There's no zip on this top, it's just the buttons, but it's actually pretty easy to get on and off. Quality wise, it's okay. There is some fraying on the buttons, but in fairness, I don't know. It's catch-22. Do we want better quality from Zara, but then the prices would go up, I guess? I don't know. I don't know. If this was like, you know, £100 or, you know, a better brands, then I would definitely expect them not to have this. But for Zara, it is technically a fast fashion brand, so I don't know if we can. Actually no, consumers have the power. Let's demand better quality. Yeah, this shouldn't be like this. Let's demand better quality. What am I saying? So yeah, the top, I like it. It's some frailing. You will have to cut that and be careful with the buttons over time. It's just going to continue frailing. I would say to wash this by hand. Don't put this in the washing machine. The fabric is very, very delicate, and you have to be careful with your nails, because I think this is something that you could scratch and then it would make a mess. The trousers are gorge, fit me like a glove. If they weren't so shiny, they'll be nice for work. Pockets that are real, which we love. And there's some like back detail as well. It does come, the pants, they come with the pants. I'm so sorry, I sound ill, but better that I do this video now, otherwise I'm going to get more ill and then sound even worse. It does come with the jacket. I'm not going to say prices, because the thing is they keep updating and they could be different now. So what I'll just do is put links in the description. But yeah, you could, you know, cover yourself up a bit more if you don't feel like showing off everything, and wear the jacket as well. I'm not feeling the jacket though. It feels a bit cheap. It doesn't feel thick and it feels big on me. What size is this? It's a size small. It was £100? No way you should pay £100 for this. If you paid £100 for this, girl, I need you to stop shopping. Because this is not worth the £100. You can get better quality items for this for £100. What? I know it's in the sale, I think it's £50 now, but you see why you have to shop in the Zara sale? I don't know. I'm trying to have a look to find what the material is. So 44% wool, 2% elastic, 95% polyester, £100 of polyester. What's this wool about? Oh, I think that's a lining, maybe. Yeah, because I think that doesn't make sense. Maybe the lining is polyester and then the outside is wool. It doesn't feel like it though. It feels like 100% polyester. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. 54% polyester. Anyway, definitely polyester. And yeah, you can tell. Save your money, save your coin. Buy from better brands. I don't know, All Saints maybe. I've never shopped there before. I'm definitely gonna, I know like White Company do really nice things, and Mint Velvet as well. Like those older women kind of shops. I don't want to say older women, but they don't really target like the 20-year-olds. They target more like 30-40-year-olds because of the price band as well. But yeah, this jacket is not nice. I can't believe they were selling it for £100. No way was it worth £100. Now or then. Okay, pieces like this remind me why I stopped shopping at Zara. It looks so nice online, but you get it in person and you look at the material like, and then you like put it on, you're like, oh, this is so cheap. This is so cheap. It looks so nice and elegant on the model and online. I'm busy here trying to put the thing on, but it looks a mess. Like, look at this. Why would I want all this fabric? It looks cheap. Doesn't look nice. I don't like it. I think this is backwards. As you can tell, I don't like it. See, Zara is not bad. What I think their best things are limited edition stuff. Anything limited edition, generally speaking, the limited edition stuff is really, really nice quality. But their regular stuff, oh, can be so boring. But I feel like so many fashion brands now are just, the quality has just been declining for so many of them. and it's hard because you want better quality things, but in fairness, people want to keep up with the trends and stuff, and I don't think it's wrong to go shopping and want new things and look different and change your style and, you know, look pretty. Sorry about that, my card was full. In fairness, it's £33. Okay, when you look at the price, it's not as bad, but back in the day, I remember Zara being like, this would be like £45, £50. I don't think this is worth your money. It's not nice. It's got shorts underneath, which is kind of nice, because when the like sun gets you, at least you're kind of covered up. But I'm pretty sure these are see-through. I don't even know. Can you see my underwear? I'm wearing black. And yeah, look at that already. I don't like this. Don't spend your money on this. Save it for something else. This is really, really nice on, but this will not last. And let me explain why. I have this very same material in a jacket from Zara. I wore it once, or a couple of times. It was really, really nice. And then I washed it. I put it in the washing machine. And it lost its shape. It looks old and tacky. This is very gorgeous. How are you going to keep it clean? You have to hand wash it, especially because of these. You know, these lovely, beautiful, rhinestone buttons. So this is something that I've noticed with a lot of Zara items. If you actually want to keep them nice and looking nice and fresh, you have to hand wash them. But who hasn't? Like, okay, I hand wash my stuff. I'm happy to hand wash things. The only thing I don't like doing is drying outside. We live in the UK, like right now. It's raining. I can't dry my stuff outside. I don't want to put my stuff on the radiator as well, because it leaves sometimes a stain or like that mark, because like the way you put it in the radiator. So I use a dryer, and that does ruin some of my clothes, but I'm happy because it's not as bad as if I was washing and drying. But this, the only other thing is though, we have a little cupboard where we have the dryer, so if I have something really, really special that I'm trying, or just one item that I am washing, I'll hang it up in the drying room and put a cycle on like for other clothes, and by the time it's finished, it'll be done. So that's one option. But how many people have that luxury that I have, that to have a dryer, to have two? Not many people do, because they're actually very expensive to run. It's so nice, it's so beautiful. I know I look really, really nice with it on, but how many times you're going to be able to wear it before you have to wash it now? And then how are you going to keep it looking nice? I think the only way you can keep it like this is maybe steaming it. I do want to try and steam my jacket to see if I can revive it. Otherwise I'm going to have to donate it. But the money that you spend on that one item, and then you can't really keep it nice, I don't think it's worth it. And I don't like the last button. I don't like how they cheaped out on these two buttons here. I don't know if can you see them? I don't want to raise it too high. But I don't get it. I don't understand, because it's visible and it looks weird that these are all the same and that one's just different. So I don't like this for that reason. It looks really, really nice on, and back in the day I would have bought it and just been like, oh, it looks so nice. And then the problems would have started arising, like I've expressed with how to keep it nice. But yeah, I won't lie, it looks really, really nice on. If you're someone who can maintain it, or you have to take it to the dry cleaners, fair enough. But I still don't like this button. I don't understand why Zara did that. But it is really, really nice on. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention about this dress is that the button holes are already fraying, and it's just going to get worse. Can you see here? Like you've got a piece of thread that's kind of come, and it's going to get worse because of the diamond of buttons, because they're going to constantly like pick up on the material and pull it. So yeah, this is not a good piece to purchase. It will just be ruined, and it's not been well made anyway in the first place. It looks very, very nice on, but do not waste your money on something like that. Next up is this leather dress. I saw this on Instagram. I thought, oh, she looks really, really nice with it on. I bought it. I know fake leather is a problem for me, and this is like reiterates the problem of fake leather. Can you hear that? It's disgusting. It feels like plastic, and the noise of it is horrible. Oh my god, I don't want to keep this on. It's so bad. The design is okay as well, but like, the problem with real leather though, it's one, it's expensive, or it can be, and two, there's the argument of using animals. I'm not vegetarian or vegan or I don't want to say that I don't care about animals. I do care about them, but I'm not like opposed to using that animals for products for humans. But yeah, this is just horrible. Like, this is the alternative, but then we're not using plastic. Everything that we do is just bad in this world. You can't do anything right. This is horrible. I would rather get a leather piece. I know, the poor animal, but at least like I would actually wear it and it would last. How long does this last? How do you wash this anyway? I don't like my leather jacket. It's not real leather, I have to say. I got it from Zara as well, but I use like I don't put it in the wash machine. I use like a cloth. That's how I wash it. And then my other stuff is all real leather. But I've struggled to find a real leather dress. Well, no, I have one full leather dress, and that's really, really nice. And the material inside is soft. Here, the inside is hard. It's hard against the skin as well. This is a no. No, no, no. I haven't yet got to the point of buying cashmere. I have seen them and viewed them and had opportunity to buy one at a really good price, but I said no. However, when I do buy knitwear, I do try and spend a little extra. I've noticed a big difference between Zara and like a brand like Borden. I have a like knit dress from them, loads of them. One of the big differences is itchiness. This is so itchy, especially around the neck. It looks gorgeous on. I would put a big coat on. I can even show you like how to style this, but it's not nice and it's kind of thin. It's not going to keep you warm. You would have to wear a slip dress underneath as well, because I feel like you can see my bra. You can wear it as a dress. You can put jeans on if you want it, but I think a dress is fine. I'm going to get a coat and show you. 2 seconds. So literally this is how I would style it. This jacket is a bit of a clean. Oh yeah, it does. It's not full wool, unfortunately. It's wool blend. I'm getting there. I'm trying to get better. But this is how I personally style it. And then I'll put like boots on. I need some brown ones, like thigh-high ones. I have short ones. It makes it be a really nice look. But I don't like this dress. It's really itchy, and I think if I wore this out for the day, I would start to get really uncomfortable around the neck with how itchy it is. This is another knit item from Zara. I would say is a little on the itchy side, not as bad as a dress. But I've seen this on Instagram. It looks really cute. I know it's a bit lumpy here. It's because I haven't got a button on these jeans. But then I don't know what happened to the button. I like this. I saw it, it was really girly and cute, perfect for the UK weather. I'll probably put a vest underneath just to help with the itchiness. I'm umming and ahhing about this. I'm going to ask my mum what she thinks. I think I will wear it because like if I went to Costco like now, or like doing errands, just put some jeans on, and or black, probably black jeans, and then black boots, and I would wear it. I think it's really, really cute. So yeah, I'm going to ask my mum what she thinks, whether I should keep it or not. I would have a look though and see if another brand has done the same kind of style, this peplum, because I know this can be done better with better material. I'm sure this is acrylic and polyester, which are not the best materials, but they aren't cheap. But don't feel bad for Zara, they have good margins. But yeah, it's really, really nice. I can't lie, I do really like it and I do want to keep it. So as I say, let's see what my mum says. If she says she likes it, then I'll keep it. If she doesn't like it, then it'll probably be a return. But I do think it's really, really nice. It's not the greatest quality. It's not the greatest fabric. Actually, no. Why am I saying the quality is bad? The quality is alright. Actually, there's nothing wrong with the quality. The button's actually very pretty. The fabric isn't great. Oh, that's not cut straight. But I think it's really cute. This is the last item of the Zara haul. I'm going to have a little break. I'm going to make some cupcakes and have a cup of coffee, and then I'll see if I want to film the part 4. If not, I'll see you on another day. Okay, thank you so much for watching. In this haul, what am I going to keep? Ooh, I think this. I want to keep it. I'm going to ask my mom what she thinks about it, because, you know, I just want her opinion on it as well. But I think I would want to keep this. I'm pretty sure it's not expensive, like 20 something pounds.